ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ षष्ठोऽध्यायः ध्यानयोगः। संकल्पप्रभवान् कामान् त्यक्त्वा सर्वान् शेषतः मनसैवेन्द्रियग्रामं विनियम्य समन्ततः। शनैः शनैरुपरमेत् बुद्ध्या धृतिगृहीतया आत्मसंस्थं मनः कृत्वा न किञ्चिदपि चिन्तयेत्। यतो यतो निश्चरति मनश्चञ्चलमस्थिरम् ततस्ततो नियम्यैतत् आत्मन्येव वशं नयेत्। यतो यतो निश्चरति मनश्चञ्चलमस्थिरम् ततस्ततो नियम्यैतत् आत्मन्येव वशं नयेत्। यतः यतः whenever, by whatever reason, nischarati strays away, manah mind, chanchalam restless, asthiram unsteady, tataha tataha from that, niyamya having restrained, etat this, atmani in the self, eva certainly, vasham control, nayet must bring. प्रशान्तमनसं ह्येनं योगिनं सुखमुत्तमम् उपैति शान्तरजसम् ब्रह्मभूतमकल्मषम् प्रशान्तमनसं ह्येनं योगिनं सुखमुत्तमम् उपैति शान्तरजसम् ब्रह्मभूतमकल्मषम्। Prashanta, peaceful, Manasam, mind, he, certainly, Enam, this, Yoginam, yogi, Sukham, bliss, Uttamam, the ultimate, Upaiti, attains, Shanta Rajasam, one whose Rajasic qualities are pacified, Brahma Bhutam, one who is endowed with self-realization, Akalmasham, one who is sinless. Success in meditation comes after long and arduous effort. Man's mind tries to overpower his efforts in achieving a single pointed focus on God. But the resolute sadhaka practices complete withdrawal of his senses and turns his attention to God despite all the obstacles he faces from the mind. Having calmed the mind ultimately, the individual becomes immersed in God consciousness. By whatever reason, when the restless and unsteady mind strays away, by restraining it from that, one must certainly bring it back under the control of the self. The ultimate bliss is certainly attained by this yogi whose mind is at peace and the Rajasic qualities are pacified, who is sinless and endowed with self-realization. Yato yato nishcharati manaschancalamassthiram tatastato niyamyaitat atmanyeva vasham nayet. Yato yato nishcharati manaschancalamassthiram tatastato niyamyaitat atmanyeva vasham nayet. Prashantamanasam hyenam yoginam sukhamuttamam upaiti shantarajasam brahmabhutamakalmasham. Prashantamanasam hyenam yoginam sukhamuttamam upaiti shantarajasam brahmabhutamakalmasham.